Good morning, students. Today we are discuss about the interference chapter. What are the problems? Okay. So in this interference syllabus and the interference topic, what are the topic we have discussed already? Based on this interference in thin film by the reflection method and the Newton rings experiment. So based on in this two part, we are asking some problems. So in this problem, now we have discussed. So before problem solving, what is the we are focusing means? So first of all, you read the question clearly. So in this question, which which topic related asking this question? First you finding that. Next, what are the data given that in your question paper? Second, and the third one, what will be find? Which parameter you will find? So the three things you know means then easily you can calculate the problems. So now we discuss about the first two problems. Just to see the question. A parallel beam of light of 6000 Armstrong is incident on a thin glass plate of a refractive index 1.5 such that the angle of refractive into the plate is 50 degree. Find the least thickness of the glass plate which will appear dark by reflection. So this is a problem. So in this problem, what is the relation between the theoretical part? Means that is the interference in thin film by the reflection method. That questions will be related to this problem because of refractive index of that film. So that theoretical part, what we have derived means the interference in thin film by the reflection. We can calculate what is the destructive interference and the constructive interference. What is the condition for the bright fringe and what is the condition for dark fringe? So based on the conditions of the bright fringe is that is a mu 2 mu t cos r equal to 2n minus 1 into lambda by 2. The condition for dark fringe is 2 mu t cos r equal to n lambda. So this is the conditions in the bright and the dark fringe condition by the interference, by the reflection of the interference. Just you see that in this question paper, what is the condition you are asking means will the thickness, that is the least thickness of the glass plate which will be appear dark by reflection. So that is a dark condition, you can use it. So already said that what is the condition for dark fringe? 2 mu t cos r equal to n lambda. So easily you can predict this is a formula. Okay. So now what are the data given that in our question paper? What is the data you can find? So these things you can split. So first of all, I will here each and every parameter. What is the meaning? 2 is a constant number. Mu is the refractive index. T is the thickness of the glass plate. Cos R, that is the R is the reflection of the incident light, and the n is the order of the fringe, lambda is the wavelength of the light. So in this formula, now what are the data given that first of all, a parallel beam of light of 6000 Armstrong. So this is the wavelength of that light. So lambda equal to 6000 Armstrong. So this Armstrong so centimeter unit, sometimes using the unit meter scale unit. So what are the unit given that in our question? and which unit we want. So making on that equation. So just in these cases, in the interference cases, all the parameter I will calculate in the centimeter unit only. So what are the distance? We find the centimeter. What is the radius of the curvature means? That is also I will say that centimeter value only. So now we can change this meter into centimeter unit. How to change this meter into centimeter means 1 centimeter equal to 10 power minus 2 meter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 power minus 2 meter. Okay, this is the basic things already will know each and everybody. So here I need here 1 meter means what is the value. So I will kept it here 10 power minus 2, that's a multiplication term. Move on left hand side means that is a division. So I will interchange the position. So 1 meter equal to 1 divided by 10 power minus 2 centimeter. So this is a division term. I will move on multiplication term means, so into there's a minus to change plus. In case here plus value we have means, to move on multiplication term means you can write it 10 power minus. Plus means minus or minus means plus. Okay. So the opposite sign you can write it in this multiplication term. The division term move on multiplication term. The similarly multiplication term move on division term means the same thing only. The opposite sign here, what is the sign means? The opposite sign you can write it. Okay. So 1 meter equal to 1 divided by 10 power minus 2 centimeter. So this 10 power minus 2, I will move on multiplication term. So the minus 2 move on multiplication means plus 2. 1 meter equal to 10 power plus 2 centimeter. So we can to 10 power plus 2 centimeter. So you can multiply here. 1 meter can be plus to 10 power plus 2 centimeter. So 6000 into 10 power minus 10 into 10 power plus 2. So base same, power added. So base same, power added. So 1 plus 1 minus means you can add means that is a subtraction. So 6000 into 10 power minus 10 into 10 power plus 2. So 10 power 10 minus 2 subtract means 10 power minus 8. So 6000 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. This is a wavelength of the light. So the Armstrong unit to convert on centimeter scale means 1 Armstrong equal to 10 power minus 8 centimeter. Meter means 10 power minus 10 meter. Next, refractive index. So the refractive index mu equal to 1.5. Angle of refractive into the plate. What is the angle of refractive into the plate? R equal to 50 degree. R equal to 50 degree. Then the least thickness. They are asking question least thickness, because in this formula what the parameter we want? N value we want. So n value how to find means, what is the question? To find the least thickness. So least means you are considered for the order of the spectrum value n equal to 1 you consider. Okay, that is the least thick. So in this least cases, what is the thickness? So in this R equal that is the n equal to 1. So this is a data given that in our question paper. Then find the thickness. So T value you can calculate in this formula. So T only I will kept it in the left hand side. Remaining term move on opposite side means n lambda divided by 2 mu cos R. T equal to n lambda divided by 2 mu cos R. Okay. So T is the thickness of the glass plate. So all the parameters you substitute apply in this formula means then you can simplify means you can get it T values. So that is equal to n. What is the least thickness? 1 into lambda. What is the wavelength of the light? 6000 into 10 power minus 8. So 1 into 6000 into 10 power minus 8 divided by 2 into mu. What is the mu value? Mu value is there 1.5. Mu equal to 1.5 into cos R. What is the angle of reflection? 50 degree. So cos 50 degree. Now we can simplify this one. How to simplify with the help of calculator? We can simplify that one. So just you see that I will show the calc here. So first of all, what is the cos 50 degree? So we using scientific calculator, cos 50° means what is the value? That is there 0.6428. Just to see that. Yeah, cos 50 means that is a 0.64278 n number of we have. So just I will write it 4 number. So 0.6428. So that is a 8. So I will move on one number before means that is a 28. 0.6428 cos 50. Then 3 into 0.6428 you can multiply. Then 6000 into 10 power minus 8 divided by this value you can multiply means sorry, you can divide it means you can get it the thickness of the particular plane. Okay. So first of all, I will multiply 3 into 0.6428. That is equal to 1.9284. This is a division term here. 1.9284. Now 6000 divided by 1.9284. That is a 3111. You can get it 3111 into 10 power minus 8. Okay. Now the okay, so this is a way you can multiply. Now you see that here 3.11 into 10 power minus 5 you can write it. Yeah. So just you see that this answer I will write it on word file. Then I will explain clearly here. Okay, what is the value? 3111.3876. 387. Yeah. Okay. Into 10 power already minus 8 we have. Yeah, this is the answer. You can get it. 10 power minus 8. Okay. Now, the 3111 we say that. So this is a big value. Yeah, 3000. We say the smallest value. Simply you say the number means 1, 2, 3. So single digit you say means that is a very easy to convey the message. Yeah. So that is the purpose. We can write it in this equation and this answer 3.1113. So like that. I will write it means how to change this point means. So this is a point. So in this point, move on left hand side. The point, this is a point, this is a left side, this is a right side. The point move on left hand side means you can multiply 10 power number of, you can put it the plus symbol, 10 power plus. Okay, so this point number of digit you can move, that digit number you can write it here. So that is here. I will write it here 10 power. That is the plus value. Plus value only we say. Okay. So 10 power. And move means this point move on here. Digit. Again means 2 digit. Move on here means 3 digits. So 10 3. Okay. 10 power 3. Already here what is the one more digit we have? That is a 10 power minus 8 we have. Now we see that base say power added. Yeah, so this is a plus, this is a minus, then you can subtract these values. So minus 8 plus 3 means you can put it the minus, you can occur on 10 power minus 5. So that is there 3.111. Thickness of that particular flame. Okay, that is the thickness of that particular flame. 3.11 to 10 power minus 5 unit. So here, what is the unit you have used? That unit you put it here. In case you are using meter, means here put it the meter. Okay, so which unit you have used, based on that unit you can write it. Okay, this is the first problem to find the least thickness of the glass plate. I will set that here already. The point move on left hand side means you put it the 10 power plus. The point move on right hand side means you can indicate the negative symbol. That is a minus symbol. You can use it. Yeah, for the example, I will write it here. So 0.0004. One values we have means we say that this is a 4 point something. You say the answer. This is a 0.004. We say means there is a difficulty. Yeah, I will say the 4.0. So this 4, there is a no number means what is the consider? That is a 0. After 0, the point after 0, there is a no values. Yeah, so that is a what is the value means there is a 0 only. Okay, so this is a value. I will modify that 4.0. So how to change this one means you can point should be adjust. Which side 4.0 we want to means the point move on right hand side. So this is the point. So I already said that point 10 power point move on right hand side means you can write it minus. Point move on left hand side means you put it the plus. This is the moving the left side, so I will put it here plus. The point move on right hand side, so that only I will put it here minus. So number of digit you can move it 1 2 3 4. The point move on here 1 2 3 4 5. So 10 power minus 5. 10 power minus 5. Okay. So in this way we can adjust. So this is a very important thing. Okay, the point move on right hand side means you can put it 10 power minus number of digit you can change, you can vary. So that number you can write it. The point move on left hand side means the 10 power you put it plus number of digit you vary. So that digit values you can write it here. So based in this format, you can use all the problems. Okay, so that is very clearly you understand and keep your mind. That is a very important thing. Next, go for second problems. In a Newton's ring experiment, the diameter of the fifth ring is 0.30 centimeters, and the diameter of the 15th ring is 0.62 centimeter. Find the diameter of the 25th ring. So in this question, you see the question means directly you can identify this problem. What is the theory, which topic related to the theoretical part. That is a Newton ring experimental only. Okay, the Newton ring experimental theoretical part we have studied. So based on that Newton ring experimental theoretical part, we can write it the formula first of all. So what is the formula? That is a dn square. That is the diameter of the nth ring square minus diameter of the mth ring square equal to 4 into n minus m into lambda into r. So d means that is the diameter. N and m, that is the last. Lambda is the wavelength of the light. R is there. R is the radius of the curvature. Okay. So in this formula, what are the data given that? That is the fifth ring given there. So d5 equal to what is the diameter value? 0.30 centimeter. Next, 15th ring diameter given that 0.62. So D15 equal to 0.62 centimeter. Now find the diameter of the 25th ring. So two different ring diameter given that. So next, so now this called you substitute here. So lambda. So the same equation you can substitute here. That is a dn square. So d15 square minus d5 square equal to 4 into 15 minus 5 into lambda into r. Point 3 volts. That is the value the d15 d5 equal to 4 into n minus m. So n is the 15th ring, m is the 5th. So 15 minus 5 into lambda into r. So 15 minus 5, that is a subtract, means that is a 10. So the d15 d5 value substitute here. So this 0.62 whole square means 0.3844 minus 0.3 the whole square means 0.09 equal to 10 into 4, 40 into lambda into r. So this is the equation number 1. That is a known diameter of the particular ring. Next, unknown diameter of the particular this 25th ring diameter we can calculate now. So how to calculate mean the similar way we can, let us consider the 25th ring, that is a nth ring, d5 is the mth ring, that is the first ring, this is the last ring. So in this above equation you can substitute here, means d25 square, 25th ring of diameter square minus 5th ring of diameter square. So d5 square equal to 4 into last ring n minus m, 25 minus 5, 25 minus 5 into lambda into r. Because of lambda value, r value not given that question paper, so I used the same symbol here. So now that d25 square we don't know, because of this parameter only we can calculate now. Next, d, what is the value? 0.3, that is a d5. The whole square means you can get it 0.09, that is equal to 4 into 25 minus 5, means you can get it 20. So 20 into 4 you multiply means 80. 80 into lambda into r. So this is the equation number 2. Now this equation number, which value can determine d25th. So that is the reason equation number 2 divided by equation number 1. Whatever may be, 1 divided by 2 means the d25 division term. So this division term on right hand side means that is the multiplication. One more step you can do it. So that only directly the equation number 2 divided by 1 means that is the 2. What is the equation the left hand side? d25th square minus 0.09. The equation number 1 the left hand side divided by 0.3844 minus 0.09. That is equal to the equation number 2 side 80 into lambda into r divided by equation number 1 the right hand side 40 into lambda into r. Now the lambda r both will cancel because of the same wavelength of light and the same plane of convex lens only we have used in this problem. Okay, so this is a constant, so we can cancel it here. So on the right hand side 80 divided by 40 you can simplify means 2 times. The left hand side d25 square minus 0.09 divided by these two values subtracted means you get it 0.44, 0.2944. This is the division term. Move on right hand side means that is the multiplication. So 2 into 0.2944, 0.2944. So these two values you multiply, and this we want only for 25th ring. What is the diameter? So d25 square, this minus term move on opposite side means that is the here plus means move on opposite side means minus. So here minus, move on opposite side plus 0.09. Now these two values multiplied means then you can add it 0.09. Finally, what is the answer means that is a d25th square equal to 0.6788. But d25th square, yeah, we want only 25th ring. What is the diameter? So you take it both the sides square root. The square root take it both the sides means the square root of d25 the whole square. So square root cancel. So d25 equal to the right hand side you put the square root. So square root of 0.6788. So in this value you take square root means you get it 0.824 centimeter. That is with the help of calculus. Next, a convex lens on a glass plate is exposed to a monochromatic light. The diameter of the 10th dark ring, is 0.433 centimeter. Find the wavelength of light used if the radius of the curvature of the lens is 70 centimeter. So this is also plano glass plate. That is with the help of Newton experiment only we can is 0.433 centimeter. Find the wavelength. So wavelength of the light, lambda value you can calculate here. What is the radius of the curvature means R. So R values you know that, and 10th ring diameter value you know that. Now we can calculate what is the wavelength of the light. So we can use it formula lambda equal to dn square divided by 4 into n into r. So this is not a direct formula. This is already you know that, yeah, dn square equal to 4n or lambda. So that formula we can write it the lambda values because of this is we can determine. So lambda only kept it one side, and one opposite side means dn square divided by 4n. So already given that data, 10th diameter of the ring d10 equal to 0.433 centimeters. So this is the nth ring, yeah. So n equal to 10th ring. So n equal to 10. Radius of the curvature r equal to 70 centimeter. Now all the data substitute the above for equal to d n square. That is the 10 square means 0.433 whole square divided by 4 into n value. N equal to 10 into radius of the curvature 70 centimeter. So 0.433 whole square means 0.187. 2 times you multiply means you get it 0.187 divided by 4 into 10, 40. 40 into 70, 2800. Now these two values you divided means you can get it 6.678 into 10 power minus 5 centimeter. So this is the wavelength of that light. In case already I said that, yeah. So in case the answer should be asking the Armstrong unit means, so this centimeter to convert on Armstrong unit. How to convert this value to convert on Armstrong unit means already you know that 1 centimeter equal to 10 power minus 2 meter. So this centimeter can be replaced to this value. So into 10 power minus 2 meter into 10 power minus 2 meter. Next the point adjusts. Then only the 10 power minus 10 meter, that is the 1 Armstrong. Yeah. So already here 10 power minus 7 centimeter we have. Then the 10 power minus 3 we want. So the 3 digit you can vary. Which side you can vary? Already you know that the point move on right hand side means you put it 10 power minus. So minus means here also minus 7. So minus 3 minus 10. So the point move on 3 digit 1, 2, 3. So 6,678. 6,678 into 10 power minus 3. Because of 3 digit I can move 1, 2, 3. 10 power minus 3 into this centimeter convert on meter scale 10 power minus 2 into already 10 power minus 5 here. So 3 minus 2 5 minus 5 minus 5 10 power minus 10 meter. 6,678 into 10 power minus 10 meter. So this 10 power minus 10 meter we say that 1 Armstrong. So 6,678 Armstrong. This is a wavelength of the light. You stop it here itself or you stop. Again you can simplify, we can modify this data, then you say the unit of Armstrong. That is the wavelength of the light. Next problems. A soap film with a refractive index of 1.33 and a thickness of 5,000 Armstrong is exposed to white light. What wavelength in the visible region are reflected? So So here, what is the asking means? That is refractive index. Yeah, the refractive index means definitely you know that thin film by the reflection method formula conditions you can use it. So in this condition, you know that that is a 2 mu t cos r equal to 2n plus 1 into lambda by 2. So based on bright and dark condition, so this is a bright condition because of we are finding that what is the light. So light is say that is a bright conditions. So in this condition, we have used it. Here, what is the n value starting from 0, 1 to 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay, so now first of all, what is the data given that, and what is the data we can determine? You can calculate now. So first of all, what are the data given that? The soap film refractive index given that mu equal to 1.33, and the thickness of the film given that 5000 Armstrong, T equal to 5000 Armstrong. So the Armstrong convert on meter scale, 5000 into 10 power minus 10 meter. These two values given that. So in this equation, mu is the refractive index, T is the thickness of the glass plate, R is a reflection of the incident light. Okay, so how to consider means, so in our question paper, not given that the specific reflection of the angle of reflection, not given that in the question paper means, so let us consider angle of reflection is a 0 because of the final term, that is the cos, or this cos angle, what you get it means that is the maximum value. So maximum value means that is a 1. So which angle you can get it 1 means 0 degree only we can get it the 1. So this is a general case, not given that in our question paper means. So let us consider r equal to 0 degree means cos r equal to 1 degree. So this is a general condition, that is the maximum reflection of that particular position. Next, to find the wavelength we can calculate. So that is a lambda values you can calculate. So this lambda values calculate, but which lambda value means in the visible region or the reflected. So already many of the region wavelength of the region occur. So that region no need, only we want for visible region. So that particular visible region, what is the n values? That is which order of the spectrum occur on the visible region of the light. That only we can calculate. There is a question. So in this above formula, we can modify that. We find that lambda values. So lambda equal to 4 mu t cos r divided by 2n plus 1. So how to occur means this is the division term 2. Move on left hand side means multiplication. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 mu t cos r equal to 2n plus 1 into lambda. So we want lambda only. So this 2n plus 1 move on left hand side means division. So that only we can write it here. 4 mu t cos r divided by 2n plus 1 into equal to lambda. Now all the values substitute here. So that is equal to 4 into mu value 1.33 into t value. What is the t value? 5000. That is the thickness of the film. 5000 into 10 power minus 10 into cos r. Cos r value 1 divided by 2n plus 1. Okay, so here directly put it n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. We put it means we can simplify each and every data is big. So that only again I will simplify this data. Then after that we can apply the n values. So you can multiply this all the values means you can get it 26,600 into 10 power minus 10 divided by 2n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. Okay, so what is the unit means? That is a meter because of the Armstrong converter meter scale unit only. So this is a lambda values. Now the n values you substitute because of which order of the reflection occur on the visible region of the light. So the n value 0 you substitute means the 2 into 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. So this value divided by 1 means you can get it the same value, 26,600 into 10 power minus 10 meter. Then go for n equal to 1 means 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So 26,600 into 10 power minus 3, 60 power minus 3 equal to you get 2 into 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So this value by 5 means you can get 320 into 10 power minus 10 meter. N equal to 3 you substitute here. 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So this value divided by 7 means you can get it 3,800 into 10 power minus 10 meter. So like that, this way you can get it up to n numbers. Okay, but why I am stopping here means because of in our question ask that visible region. So what is the visible region wavelength means from 4000 to 6000, from 4000 to 6000 between region, we say that is a visible region of the spectrum. Okay, so in this region means we can find that number of wavelength means you can find, but you see that n equal to 1 is given that above the 8000, n equal to 3 given that below the 4000. So below the 4000 we say that is the ultraviolet region. In this region above the 8000 we say that is the IR region. So between gap only occur on n equal to, that is the second order of the ring, only occur on 5320, that is the visible region wavelength. So this is a wavelength of this particular region of the light. Next to go for next problem. In a Newton ring experiment, the diameter of the fifth dark ring is 0.3 of the plate is 5 wavelength of the light used. So directly given that is the condition, you know that Newton ring experimental process. So the Newton ring experimental process, two different ring diameter of the ring given that. So that is the D ring, the nth diameter 0.3 centimeter, nth ring diameter D25 equal to 0.8 centimeter. Radius of the curvature R value, write the formula lambda equal to dn square minus dm square divided by 4 into n minus m into r. So now this all the parameters substitute in this formula, then you can get it the r values. So lambda equal to dn square. So this is the nth, this is the mth. So n 0.8 the whole square minus 0.3 the whole square divided by 4 into n minus m. So 8 minus 3 into 100. Now 0.8 the whole square means you can get it 0.64 minus 0.3 whole square means 0.09 divided by 4 into 8 minus 3 5. So 5 into 4 20, 20 into 100 2000. So 0.64 minus 0.09 subtract means you can get it 0.55. So 0.55 divided by 2000 means you can get it 2.75 into 10 power minus 4 centimeter directly. One more time I will explain that how to simplify this another way without calcium, how to small number because of 0.55 divided by 2000 manually you can calculate means that is a very difficult. Yeah, so that one day I will modify this value. The 2000 I will write the small number. So 2000 the point is here, the point to move on 3 digit means 2. So 2 into number of digit you move means 1, 2, 3. So 10 power plus 3. So 0.55 divided by 2 into 10 power plus 3. So this is the division term, move multiplication term means you can change the sign. So here plus move multiplication means minus. So 10 power minus 3. So 0.55 divided by 2 you can divide that means you can get it 0.275 into 10 power minus 3. Now we say that the value is there 2 point something means 2.75 into 10 power minus 1 into 10 power minus 3. So base same power added minus 1 minus 3 you added means minus 4 centimeter. So this is the 2.75 into 10 power minus 4. And then only get it on 10 power minus 10. So 4 digit means 1, 2, again 2, 0. So 27,500 you get it into 10 power minus 10 meter. So you say that Armstrong 27,500 Armstrong, that is the wavelength of the light. Okay. So but because of there is no need based on our question, especially asking the Armstrong unit means definitely you do that. What are they saying that all the process you are doing. But in our question paper not show anything indicate that this is the unit you are finding. You cannot indicate. So I will stop it the centimeter values only. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow we will discuss other problems. The next video I will upload it based on some refractive index of the liquid and how to calculate, and very thickness of the thinnest film, how to calculate, and radius of the curvature, how to calculate. So all the problems I will upload the next video.